Love is in the air, and I've got this amazing Ayurvedic hair mask that you guys are going to love with the right ingredients that is going to give you all those positive vibes. That energy that you need, not only for your own self-care, but for your bestie, maybe your mini-me, and your significant other. Welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadijah. I specialize in henna, natural hair color, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, gorgeous henna body art as well. And welcome to the channel. I got this mask for you, so let's get into it. So for this mask, I specifically chose the ingredients I felt that would just give all that energy of love. But at the same time, as all that love is giving you a new mask that you can use that's both moisturizing, it just smells really amazing, and your hair is gonna be just shiny and vibrant because it's a little bit of that, cleansing, moisture, just a whole combination of a new mask that you will absolutely fall in love with. So what I chose for ingredients is I got the hibiscus petal powder and I got rose petal powder. Oh, and this rose petal powder is so amazing. It's right from Morocco. And we got cassia obovata, really good at cleansing, adding a lot of shine and definition to your hair strands. And I melted one of our delicious, yummy, scrumptious henna kisses for added shine. And I infuse Ayurvedic hair tea. Yes, because we want to pack this treatment with the most benefits. This is an Ayurvedic hair tea that is going to leave your hair also strengthened, and more moisture is just perfect for this mask. First, we're going to get our hibiscus petal powder, which is really restorative. I'm using about 50 grams. Then I'm going to add in my cassia obovata, which is also about 50 grams. And then I took about 2 teaspoons of rose petal powder. Adding that in there, mixing up my powders really well. This mask is probably going to be about enough for shoulder length hair. So if your hair is a little bit longer, you might have to double up this recipe. And the great thing about this recipe is you can freeze any leftovers. Then first I'm going to add a little bit of my Ayurvedic hair tea. To get that going, mix it up really well. And now that I've mixed it up a little bit, I'm going to add the melted henna kiss. Ooh, yes. Get all that goodness out of there. Yes, every last drop. And then mix that in really well. And if you're wondering and curious as to how long I steeped the Ayurvedic hair tea, I have a really great video on using hair teas that you definitely need to check out to get more information on how you can best use the hair teas that we have at Hennasooq. So keep mixing until you get a really nice, creamy, smooth consistency. Oh, this is looking so good. And oh, it smells amazing. So I'm going to give it a really good stir. Get it really nice. Oh, it is looking nice. Okay. Oh, yes. Looking nice. Looking nice. Packed with that energy of love. Ooh, you and a bestie, maybe your mini-me, can do masks on your hair. And I recommend you leave this in maybe for about an hour or 2. That should be plenty. And then you can wash it out with our cleansing co-wash. This is perfect. Oh, this is a great consistency. A little thick still, but yet a little runny. So it's a perfect consistency for you to use. And you can use it with your honey. Yes, you guys, this is going to bring that love in the air. And it's just so much fun. This is a really great mask that you're going to love. After you finish rinsing it out, just make sure that you moisturize and dry and style as usual. And there you have it. It's so simple. The simplest mask just to give you all those ingredients that really give you that great energy for love and self-care and doing something with, your best friend, your mini-me, and your significant other. So give that mask a try. Let me know in the comments how it came out and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of our videos that come out every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I'll see you next time. Bye.